Got a quick tip for you today on cleaning up some chrome. So on a lot of these drums you'll see some chrome plating that has some marks on it, and you think they might not be able to clean up, but in fact it's really easy to clean this stuff up. All you need to do is take some Windex and some 0000 steel wool. Just put a little bit of Windex on and wipe off that chrome area. And then you take microfiber cloth and wipe it off. You can see it's already really clean. I'm going to go one step farther and put a little bit of Neverdol on. And all you do is take the Neverdol and you rub it on, puts a little bit of coating on it, a little bit of protectant on it. Rub it in nice and good. And you take a microfiber cloth and you wipe it off, kind of polish it in. Now you've got some chrome looking brand new. Hope that helps.